Okay, so let's have a look at the second adjustment for Larchfield 2018 ordinary level question 5, and it says calculate the net profit or margin. So we know the net profit or margin is your net profit divided by your credit sales. Those figures are got in the profit and loss account. So our credit sales 660,000, our net profit 254,000. Sometimes you can be asked to calculate your net profit, and your net profit is basically your gross profit take away your expenses. But for this one, we don't need to calculate anything. So identify the two figures we need. So our net profit 254,000. Your credit sales 660,000. So we identified our figures. Now we need to put the figures into our formula. So you need to have your net profit, which is 254,000. That's divided by your credit sales, 660,000. That's multiplied by 100 over 1. So when we divide our net profit by our credit sales, we're going to get 0.38484. So 38.48, that's our two decimal places. 4 is less than 5, so we're not going to round up. So we're going to keep it 0.3848%. So when we multiply that by 100, we get 38.48%. So that means that for every 100 euro sales, 38 euro 48 cent is contributed to the net profit. So that's number 2 for Larchfield 2018 ordinary level question 5. You need to identify your net profit and your credit sales, divide your net profit by your credit sales, and then multiply by 100. That's going to give you 38.48%. Remember to use the correct unit, so percentages is important here to get the full marks.